To fix the error code Ef8 on an Electrolux dryer, it is essential to understand what this code signifies. The Ef8 error code indicates that one of the appliance keys is either stuck or unresponsive. This issue can be caused by stuck or unresponsive keys, or a faulty user interface control. To resolve this problem, the first step is to troubleshoot for a stuck key by disconnecting the dryer from the power supply. This can be done by unplugging it from the socket or switching off the power from the mains. Next, press all the buttons on the control panel, as this may help to free any stuck buttons. After this, reconnect the dryer to the power supply by plugging it back into the socket or switching the power back on at the mains. Then, turn on the dryer and observe to see if the error has been resolved. If the error persists, the issue may lie with the user interface control, which could have a technical problem. In this case, it is necessary to contact a professional technician to conduct a further inspection, as they may need to replace the user interface control to restore the dryer to normal functioning.